this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus SX235 using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment program, we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's disable for a while. After the antivirus is disabled, you can download this resetter, the link on the description of this video. After you download the file, you can just right-click and choose Extract here. After the folder extracted, you can open the folder and run the adjustment program. You can click Accept the license. Then, you can select particular adjustment mode and select washing bed counter and click OK. Don't forget to tick main bed counter options and click check button. Then, you can click initialization button. If you encounter an error in here, you can repeat the last step. After the resetter works, you can close the programs and turn off the printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.